How do I write good/correct package _init_.py files? My package has the following structure. I'm not sure how the _init_.py files should be correctly written. The _init_.py number 1 looks like. But how should, for example, _init_.py number 2 look like? Mine is. When should be _all_ used?
_all_ is very good. It helps guide import statements without automatically importing modules. This URL. Using _all_ and import is redundant, only _all_ is needed. I think one of the most powerful reasons to use import in an _init_.py to import packages is to be able to refactor a script that has grown into multiple scripts without breaking an existing application. But if you're designing a package from the start, I think it's best to leave _init_.py files empty. For example, then the app grows and now it's a whole folder. Then the init script can say, so that a script written to do the following does not break during the change.
My own _init_.py files are empty more often than not. In particular, I never have a from blah import as part of _init_.py. If importing the package means getting all sort of classes, functions etc. defined directly as part of the package, then I would lexically copy the contents of blah.py into the packages _init_.py instead and remove blah.py. The multiplication of source files does no good here. If you do insist on supporting the import idioms, then using _all_ with as minuscule a list of names as you can bring yourself to have in it, may help for damage control. In general, namespaces and explicit imports are good things, and I strongly suggest reconsidering any approach based on systematically bypassing either or both concepts.
Your _init_.py should have a docstring. Although all the functionality is implemented in modules and subpackages, your package docstring is the place to document where to start. For example, consider the Python email package. The package documentation is an introduction describing the purpose, background, and how the various components within the package work together. If you automatically generate documentation from docstrings using Sphinx or another package, the package docstring is exactly the right place to describe such an introduction. For any other content, see the excellent answers by Firecrow and Alex Martelli.
Jo, vänta senare. Läs ett från subscribing.